Hello everyone, save the side sections of the hair for later with the section of the hair at the back, split them into three parts and have it braided in a thicker manner. Then secure the end with the rubber and roll the braid to the top. And after that, braid the hair on the side section we said before and have it go over the bun we created. Make a bunch on the top section of the hair and have a rubber attach the middle part of the tail and have a loop and drop the tail into it, making a twisted bun. Then grab the sides of your hair right below the first bunch we created. Then grab another section of the hair right below the first one and have it dropped inside and do the same thing as we did before. Do it totally 3 times and after that comb the remaining hair a little bit for boosting out the volume and making it even. Grab your gorgeous hair from behind and make a lovely ponytail and create a gap behind your ponytail using your finger. Drop the entire tail into it and tighten it a little bit. Split the remaining tail into 3 parts and have it braided in a thicker manner. And also pinch out the hair on the braid as well to make it a loopy braid. And secure the end with the rubber. Move the tail inwards. Grab a section of the hair from the top and split them into 3 parts and have it braided in a thicker manner. So once when you do the braiding, pinch out the hair at the sides to make it loopy. And also do the braiding until you reach the middle part and stop it there and have a rubber band. But don't forget to pinch out the hair at the sides for the loopy braid. And do the same on the right, combine the braids together with a common rubber band and drop in your favorite hair clutcher. Get the sides of your hair, tie in the middle of the rubber band and to the remaining tail, split them into 3 parts and have it braided and secure the braid to the top temporarily. Then with the remaining section of the hair, make a ponytail, have a rubber band, attach the bottom middle part and stuff the tail into the middle one, making as a bun. Move the bun to the top and secure that with a little hairband and make the coil to the bun. Have a left section of the hair combed a little bit and have a rubber band attached to it. Create a gap using your finger, drop the tail into it, do the same on the right side and combine both the tails together with another rubber band and split the tail into 2 and have each of them split them into 2 parts and have it braided in a thicker manner and have the braid go behind the back section and have it tie with the rubber band. Save the side sections of the hair for later. With the section of the hair at the back, make a ponytail and have the side sections into the front and tie with the rubber band and drop it inside for a twisted band and bring the back section through the loop to the front. Then split them into 2 parts and have it braided in a thicker manner and roll it to a braid in the clockwise direction and have it secure the hairpin and have the hair pinched out on the top for boosting out the volume and dropping your favorite hair clutcher. Have the left section of the hair combed a little bit and have a rubber band attached to it. Can create a gap using your finger, drop the tail into it and with the section of the hair at the back, make a big ponytail and create a gap using your finger, drop the tail into it. Do the same on the first tail we created and drop the first tail into the second loop. Make a bunch on the top section of the hair and have the right strip of the hair go into the loop and do the same vice versa for the left side as well. Then combine all the tails together with the rubber band, put them into 3 parts and have it braided in a thicker manner. Do the braiding until you reach the bottom and fold the braid inwards and stuff it inside and secure it with a lovely hairpin. Thank you everyone for watching this video.